We got a pumpkin.
There you go.
So you just loaded another copper. If we get it out fast, it'll still reduce.
Whose is that?
That might be mine.
Now these are the slab. These are still slabs out.
It looks like slab. No, there's no more Saggars. They're all. Oops, that one just fell right off.
Yeah. Yes, that is.
And here's another one.
Oh, wow. Well, first it didn't want to stay on, now it doesn't want to come off. There we go.
Right?
Lovely, lovely.
Hey, come on.
Yeah,
Something.
you're afraid to press too
I
hard.
know. Well, I have this tied on
I
here.
think you are opening mine.
Oh, this one?
But it's okay.
No, please come.
No, that's fine.
I thought this one was mine. I had one.
Not
Forgive me.
100% sure.
You got it?
No, yeah, it's mine.
It is. Good. Yay.
Well, I couldn't get it to stay on, now I can't get it to come off.
Cool.
No.
There you go. There you go. Cool.